why or why not?
Yes, I do support the gravity supply line. It's, you know, I hate to say this, but it's a no-brainer. Why would I want to pay PG&E when I don't have to? It's going to take water up the mountain and bring it down, okay? It's gravity flow. If you go up and down the mountain counties is a water organization, and we belong to it. You go up and down the mountain counties, and I think there's, I don't know, I don't want to say a number, but there's many of us. They all are in this gravity supply thing where the water is fed to the people gravity way. I support it. I was there when the AWA broke ground on it. I was there when Tom Hoover, a couple of general managers ago, was in support of it. I support it now. It'll bring water to the community that we need without PG&E costs. It'll bring water. We have 4 hydrants on that line. It'll bring water to our fire entities that we need in case of fire, and it'll also bring jobs. It'll bring more collaboration with AWA, the people, the county, and the cities of Amarillo.
He doesn't tell you there's only 1,100 customers up there, and it's going to cost $40 million. They got to get a grant. A loan, actually.
Yes, I do support the gravity supply line right now as it sits. I do have to wonder why Supervisor Novelli, when he was on the Amarillo Water Agency board, didn't really push the program then, but just a question I have. The one concern I have about the gravity supply line is that no one can answer me, not Rich Barrington, a representative, and not the opponents of the line either. I do not want the citizens of our country to have to end up paying for this gravity supply line project if the water is going to be sent down to where there is likely to be development in this county, which is probably Ione. I don't think anybody has been able to guarantee to me that that will not happen, and so I am most concerned about what the citizens of this district will have to pay for that. It's a great idea.